XRP is about to take off in the month of July. I am truly expecting the case versus the SEC versus Ripple to be over with in the month of July. In this video, we're going to be talking about the current ongoing lawsuit. We're going to go over my price targets for XRP and what I'm expecting this summer in the immediate short term for XRP. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the end of this video. So last year in July 2023, Judge Torres ruled that Ripple's programmatic sales to secondary trading platforms did not constitute offers of investment contracts. Shortly after, the magistrates dismissed the regulator's intentions to appeal the decision, while CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larson were cleared of all charges. The case entered its trial phase in April this year with a resolution that might come at any day. However, the complexity of the legal process and the other essential factors may prolong the lawsuit indefinitely. The potential penalty on Ripple seems to be a bone of contention. The SEC initially sought a $2 billion fine on the firm, while the latter insisted on no more than $10 million. Recently, the agency lowered its demand to $102 million. So that's actually very, very bullish. So what is going on right now? What are we waiting for? Essentially, what we are waiting for is now Judge Torres, her decision on the case and how much, if there is going to be at all, a fine that Ripple needs to pay the SEC. So the original penalty that the SEC was seeking for was $2 billion, and they recently lowered it to $100 million, which is nothing for Ripple. However, for them lowering it at this point in the case, it shows that they don't have a strong case at all and that they know they are going to lose. That's why they've lowered it by 80%. Now, it's been a couple of months since all the latest motions were filed. Now, all we are waiting for is not another motion, nothing else but the judge's decision, which was given last July. So it's very likely this July, we are going to see a decision by Judge Torres on this case. And what I'm thinking is going to happen is there's probably not going to be a fine. And if there is going to be a fine, it's probably going to be even less than $100 million, maybe $10 million. That $100 million fine between a $10 million fine or no fine is likely to result in a very bullish price reaction for XRP Ripple and also the entire crypto market. Another major loss for the SEC in court is certainly going to be very, very bullish for the crypto market, and the market is going to perceive it as such. Now, what I'm expecting to happen for XRP is if we go to the XRP chart, just based on the legal wins last year in July, which won't be as substantial as what we are going to experience this year, in my opinion, we saw XRP, this exact price, 46, 48 cents, XRP shot up to $1. And it just off of that headline, and it was very, very quickly. I think we will probably see a similar reaction. The reason why, ladies and gentlemen, is because the case will be over with this judgment by Judge Torres. And what that is going to allow Ripple to do is it's going to allow them to IPO. It's going to allow all these major partners that they have to announce themselves publicly with Ripple XRP. And it's going to pave the way for so much more money to come into Ripple XRP. So I'm expecting that type of move. What could happen is, depending on the overall crypto market, whether the market is bullish, whether it's still consolidating, whether it's kind of bearish, it's going to have an effect on the price of XRP. If the market is pumping and it's looking very good, which it's actually starting to do right now, we could see an even stronger reaction. And not only a strong reaction off just news, we will see probably a trend continuation, an uptrend beginning for XRP, not just a pump and dump. So that's what I'm expecting, that this move is going to create a breakout for XRP from its consolidation, and it's going to start pushing it into a strong bullish trend, in my opinion. I'm thinking that we could see $1 to $1.20, which is an area where I'm probably going to be considering to take some profits. My current entry price for XRP is 55 cents. So at $1.10, I'm looking to take half of my investment, pull it out, and let the rest ride out for the long term, the next several years, which I think XRP can easily hit $3 to $7. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon, where I'm calling out buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, future trade signals, which we can see this morning I made over $1,000 shorting Bitcoin from the very top last night. If you guys want to follow my trade signals, I'm a professional trader. You guys can have access by joining the Patreon. But if you guys want to be trading crypto futures, you guys want to be trading up to 150x leverage where you can long and short cryptos, You guys can also buy meme coins before they come out. Make sure you are using Blowfin and use my link specifically so you can have $5,000 deposit bonuses and also the cheapest trading fees in the world. Another thing that I highly suggest is that you use Algosniper trading indicator. This thing will help you to understand when it is best to buy and sell. Look, we got a buy alert even before that pump to $1 last year took place, and a sell alert at 75 cents, which you could have sold and bought at the bottom around 41 cents. You guys can try Algosniper today for $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.